from image quality, IP ratings, lens quality, wireless capability, just to name a few. And depending on your use case, the particular camera that suits you best will vary. With that, in today's video, we'll cover a detailed guide explaining the factors that may be important during your research. And you can find that detailed guide in the pinned comment down below. And we'll also cover the best waterproof cameras on the present market. Coming in at number 5, Panasonic's Lumix TS7, also known as the FTZ7. Released in 2018, the Panasonic TS7 is the company's latest waterproof compact camera. It features a 20.4 megapixel sensor, 4K 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS, and a stabilized 28 to 128 millimeter lens. It also features an electronic viewfinder, a 3-inch LCD, USB charging, panorama, post-focus, time-lapse, a built-in compass and altimeter, and wireless connectivity. The TS7 is a substantial upgrade over its 5-year-old predecessor. With this new model, Panasonic's improved the rear LCD, which doubled in resolution, providing an even more clear view. It also boasts a new 20.4 megapixel sensor for unrivaled detail and remains one of the highest resolutions throughout the underwater segment. They've also refined the design, which is slightly larger, weightier, and provides a more chunky hand grip for more comfortable handling. But crucially, this camera obtains Panasonic's helpful 4K shooting modes. 4K photo allows you to capture 8 megapixel still images from a 30 FPS video and ensures you never miss a critical moment. Another highlight is this camera's outstanding IP8X ceiling, providing a class-leading depth rating of 31 meters, 102 feet. As such, the TS7 is the perfect complement for professional deep-sea divers looking to push the bounds, especially since you can turn the AF Assist LED into a full-time torchlight underwater. Overall, Panasonic's TS7 is a substantial upgrade in capabilities and features over its predecessor, and it's a bold move on Panasonic's end to capture the more premium underwater compact market. But it's the perfect addition to deep-sea divers wanting utmost capabilities, diving depth, telephoto reach, big print, and flexible 4K modes. Coming at number 4, Fujifilm's XP140. Released in 2019, Fujifilm's FinePix XP140 is the company's latest waterproof compact camera and the annual update to the XP lineup. It features a 16.4 megapixel sensor, 4K 15 FPS video, 1080p 60 FPS video, and a 5x optical zoom 28 to 144 millimeter lens. It also has a 3-inch LCD, panorama, time-lapse, and wireless connectivity. Fuji's improved the camera's water sealing with this new model, now to IPX8 certification and 25 meters or 82 feet, and shockproofing to 1.8 meters or 5.9 feet. And this camera now headlines with 4K video, though at 15 frames per second, along with the popular square video format. But crucially, they've improved the camera's ISO sensitivity and added the new Face Auto Self-Timer mode, making it easier than ever to capture selfies mid-adventure. Its outstanding 5x optical zoom lens, which zooms to 140 millimeters, is also a true separator, and it stands as one of the longest zooms in the entire segment, with unrivaled telephoto power that quickly gets you close to the action. Overall, Fujifilm's XP140 is a capable mid-range compact that few can match, and it offers unrivaled zoom capabilities without a ridiculous price wrapped in a stylish and rugged build. Coming at number 2, Nikon's Coolpix W300. Released in 2017, Nikon's W300 is their latest waterproof compact in the Coolpix family. It features a 16 megapixel sensor, 4K 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS, and a 5x optical zoom 24 to 120 millimeter lens. It also has a 3-inch LCD, panorama, time-lapse, an AF torchlight, USB charging, and wireless connectivity. With this new model, Nikon overhauled the camera's video recording modes, and it now brings 4K UHD and 60 frames per second to the Coolpix underwater lineup. Thankfully, it retains the older model's short movie mode, which assembles a series of short clips in camera into a 30-second movie. And this is a great option to show the best highlights of your adventures. Nikon's also improved the depth rating to 30 meters or 98 feet, and the shock rating to 2.4 meters or 7.8 feet. And it now stands as the most rugged Coolpix to date. Additionally, it's their first waterproof camera with SnapBridge Bluetooth connectivity for convenient background image transfer, but it also boasts built-in GPS, an electronic compass, and a barometer to pinpoint the exact location, depth, and direction of captured images. Plus, it receives action control, so you can control certain functions simply by shaking the camera to avoid fiddling with buttons underwater. Overall, Nikon's W300 is a powerful all-rounder indeed, and it hits an interesting sweet spot in lens performance, but it leapfrogs rivals with outstanding durability, making it well suited for the most demanding conditions, and it's a solid choice for deep sea adventures. Coming at number 1, Olympus's Tough TG6. Olympus's TG6 is their latest waterproof camera and the top option of the segment. Released in 2019, it features a 12 megapixel sensor, 4K 30 FPS, 1080p 120 FPS, and a 4x optical 25 to 100 millimeter lens. It also has a 3-inch LCD, live composite, focus stacking, focus bracketing, HDR, time-lapse, panorama, a 2x teleconverter, and wireless connectivity. Where the TG6 shines is in its fast f2 aperture, which is the fastest around, and this lens significantly improves low light image quality. Even so, it also provides unrivaled macro capabilities, focusing at 1 centimeter and remaining as such throughout the entire zoom range. As such, it's an excellent option for capturing small subjects at a safe distance. The TG6 also delivers unrivaled continuous burst performance, shooting at 20 frames per second with unlimited JPEG images. So capturing fast-moving wildlife or underwater movements is of little difficulty. Plus, it also has a compass, manometer, temperature sensor, and GPS to ensure images are perfectly tagged, and it does so with the best 4K video of all waterproof cameras with minimal compression and lifelike details. Overall, Olympus's Tough TG6 is a top waterproof camera despite its lacking zoom or larger sensor, and it offers functionality and capabilities that rivals several higher-end mirrorless cameras. As such, if you're looking for the best waterproof camera, this is it. So there you have it, my friends. There is our list of the best waterproof cameras. For more information on this list or to read the detailed guide, look at the pinned comment in the description down below, and that will take you right to the full post. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and it added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if we overlooked something or we missed something that we covered in today's video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. Photography.